Hi and welcome. Today I will have Magdalenas with my coffee. Magdalenas are Spanish cakes, sweet, light and fluffy. I like that they are crispy on the outside and soft and fluffy inside. I'll show you how I made them. To make Magdalenas we will need 3 room temperature eggs, 2 cups or 250 grams of all-purpose flour, half a cup or 125 milliliters of olive oil suitable for cooking, half a cup or 125 milliliters of full-fat milk, 1 cup or 200 grams of sugar, 1 3/4 teaspoons or 8 grams of baking powder, a pinch of salt, and some sugar for sprinkling over Magdalenas before baking. I will be using brown sugar. To start, let's break eggs in the bowl. Add sugar and a pinch of salt and beat them with an electric mixer or by hand till it's light and fluffy. Pour in the olive oil and continue mixing. Then pour in milk and continue mixing. Add baking powder to the flour and sift it in the batter. Mix the batter by hand with a wooden spoon or a rubber spatula. If you wish, you can keep Magdalenas simple or add some lemon or orange zest for a bit of flavor. I'm adding orange zest today. When everything is well integrated, cover the bowl and put it in the fridge for an hour. If needed, you can leave the batter in the fridge for longer. When you're ready to bake, set the oven to heat to 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Grease muffin pans with some oil and put them on a baking tray. I am using 7 by 3 centimeter muffin pans, which is equal to 1/4 of cup muffin pans. With this amount of batter, I will be able to make 15 Magdalenas. After removing the batter from the fridge, mix it a little. And put the batter in the muffin pans, filling approximately 2/3. Sprinkle a little bit of sugar on top and put Magdalenas in the oven to bake. Increase the temperature to 200 degrees Celsius or 400 degrees Fahrenheit and bake Magdalenas for about 15 minutes till they look golden brown. Remove Magdalenas from the oven and let them cool in the pans for a few minutes. Remove Magdalenas from the pans and they're ready to be eaten. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you get to make Magdalenas. If you do, let me know in the comments how they turned out for you. Enjoy the process and enjoy Magdalenas. See you next week. Bye.